trying out their flatbread called liposhkas. Let's get down to business. They use about 5,500 pounds of flour. These bags, about 50 bags like this per day. This is the most sellout spot of liposhkas here in Samarkand, Uzbekistan. Ooh, it's getting hot in here, so I'm gonna take off all my clothes because it's too hot and I just cannot breathe. The whole tandoori concept is... I'm scared to burn myself. Whole engineering behind it is pretty complex, yet it's pretty simple. Check out this air ventilation right here. There's more, like there's holes, so it's perfectly and equally spreading out the heat, and you know, it's just so organic. It's like the best way to cook your bread. I'm just enjoying the way it cooks, and the color in these liposhkas are just beautiful, shiny, golden. Mwah. On slow heat, these flat liposhkas get cooked for 30 minutes. We just patiently wait until we try our first bite. I can see the golden crisp already firming on the bottom layer of that flat bread, and it's getting more fluffier and just gets expanded a little bit more. Woo! Wow, I'm scared to cook myself. That is so warm, feels so good in this cold, cold weather. 2 minutes more and the bottom layer is ready to be taken out. Wow! Wow! It's so hot, it's like the air is just like coming out of this tandoor. It's wild. Each liposhka like this is gonna be weighed about 3 pounds. These are pretty heavy breads. Aren't they pretty? They're so fluffy and pumped. Just a piece of art. I am so nervous, it's so hot. Cheers. Wow, that was a crunchy sound. Wow, I can hold it only with my nails because that is quite hot. Ah! Wow. Yo, come to Samarkand, you have to experience this. Such a wonderful, interesting, liquidy, healthy dessert. This is like a potion. All of these micro elements, I mean, it's so delicious, I can eat it myself. It's delicious. Well, we were invited by the local family to check out their traditional healing potion. They cook it for over 24 hours. Let's go check it out, how the process of SUMALYAK is being made. All of the stuff that he's squeezing right now, it actually gets into, you know what it is? It actually is sheep's food. All of these micro elements, I mean, it's so delicious, I can eat it myself. It's delicious. I'm telling you, I bought it from Whole Foods. Now all of the sheep will get these micro elements into their bodies, gonna get healthy sheep by the summertime. Right now, they just squeeze out all of the juices and they're separating the glucose out of these seeds. It's whole natural glucose right there. Oh my gosh, wow, this is such an interesting process. Now that is quite interesting. So you see, she's pouring these bowls and putting into through this thin filter, right? To get the pure juice out of it. And then he's squeezing it out extra time. And then there's still more juice for the sheep. Everybody gets nutrients. You get nutrients, you get nutrients, you get nutrients. Everybody gets healthy in here, from the sheep to the household. Now that all of our fresh squeezed juice is right here, time for our flour to be added to the SUMALYAK recipe. Let's get it. That is a lot of flour. I get it. This is why the consistency is pretty thick. Wow! A whole huge bag. Let's see how many grams in that bag. 50 kilos of flour gets inside of this kazan. Second bag of flour is coming up, and take a look at this beautiful mixer. Ooh, I thought that I would need a huge spoon to stir it, but no. It's time for the construction mixer to get into the work and get busy. Whoa, that is quite powerful. Okay, I'm done. So it's been already boiling for 12 hours. After 12 hours, we're closing the lid and it's gonna be boiling for the next 12 more, you guys. I've tasted it when I was little, but I've never knew the process. To me, that looks interesting, but now I appreciate the art. I appreciate the way that they're making it. This is pure magic. I love potion. There is a tradition here. If you add some rock inside of the SUMALYAK and if you get to have it inside of your bowl, your wish will come true. Make love, not war. Worldwide peace. All right, team, make a wish, everybody. Throw some rocks inside of the SUMALYAK. SUMALYAK in Bukhara is actually very thinner consistency compared to the one in Tashkent. So every little town has their own little thickness, secrets to their own SUMALYAK recipe. Even plov, Bukharian plov is a little bit more diet friendly compared to Tashkenti one. You know, as you guys seen, I've tried the Tashkenti plov. It's lots of fat, lots of damba, you know. Now they just brought us the thicker version, so it's been cooking for a while. It's been standing there for a while. So this is the more like a liquidy consistency, and this is the thicker one that they just gave us. So I just want to show you. Ooh, now that's dulce de leche right there. That looks like a jelly. This is my dasturkhan, and this is my SUMALYAK. It's about time. Let's try it. Bismillah. Oh, wow. I don't believe it's healthy because it's so good. I'm telling you guys. Oh, it's like a condensed milk. Almost tastes like dulce de leche, but healthy version. Ancient dessert, and I'm loving it. I just want to give you guys, show you the big size of this liposhka. I mean, homemade liposhka. With liposhka, yeah, that is so good. Beautiful winter day, hot dessert. Everything in Central Asia makes sense. I mean, hot tea. It's like smelling coffee in between smelling different perfumes. Gives you a nice break between different flavors. It's interesting that everybody loves drinking green tea in this area. So in Tashkent, usually if you ask for tea, they're gonna give you a cup of black tea. Here in Bukhara, they usually serve you green tea when you're asking for a teapot of tea. Whew. I love that the tea is nice and richly made and there's no sugar. It's not sweet, so it's a perfect break in between such a wonderful, interesting, liquidy, healthy dessert. It's amazing to cleanse your whole body. It's good for your stomach. It's good for your liver. I mean, all kinds of different diseases like skin diseases, all kinds of gut issues. This dessert will heal you up. I am just so appreciative of the nomadic ancestry and its wisdom and tradition that passed along up until the 21st century. 2024, y'all. SUMALYAK is still being made. I know that nowadays everything is about fast food, about time. Time goes fast. We have to keep moving fast. We need to eat as we go. We always buying a sandwich, always going to work. But this thing has been cooked. It took time. It took a while for this preparation. For this final outcome, there is a paradise. Eating dessert and getting healthy